All right, there's the damage I have to work on. And that's what it looks like inside. Yeah, and if you tried to come in from the glass, you're right at the edge, but yeah, you could probably still do it. And then you got to get through that guy, maybe some of the dent, which it is inside here. You're just messing around too much, whereas it makes a lot more sense to take off the panel. All right, got the panel, glass off. Now I'm ready to roll. Got that little padding kind of scraped away there because that long crease is right there. And I got ample room to work on it. I like to be really fast when doing a crease like this because I want to recrease it. And this is the perfect situation. But you have to have a lot of power, a lot of control. So you really want to make sure your setup is nice. So I got a piece of angle iron here that really protects this, this top area from being blown out by the pressure. Have that all the way down to the floor. I'm gonna take my 35 light and position it to where I am right behind that dent. Yeah, now I got some power. So now I'm going to put the appropriate tip on there, get a reflection on there, and I'm going to recrease this quick. All right, I got it all set up. My body's going to be shading this sunlight right here, and I got a great view. I'm going to use my 35 light duty with a nice tip on the end, real slippery kind of tip that can basically just go back and forth on the crease and recrease the crease. So let's go for it. See, right there is where the brace is, so I can only start right there. But once I got a nice push on it, I'm gonna just slide. And then I gotta reposition, because I can only go about 2 inches horizontally before it goes the other way. And there's a good 3-incher. And let's finish it out with a nice 2-inch one. There you go. I kind of slid down a little bit because I was a little high. Boom, right there, got it. This one here needs a little bit more. Boom, done. The rest of that's in the brace. So you can kind of see what's left, but that was fast. Finer detail, but that's fast. Creases are quick if you can recrease. Okay, all done. Let's take a look. Nice and clean.
Good, dude.
That's it. Done.